you don't have any words to say or to write or to text or to document, or it is very deep, like nobody has the right answer, yes or no, or how should we tackle what wrong we are doing, we didn't did anything, it is so bad and life is not so good with me, or it is just it should not happen with me, or my family is not really supporting me, my friend died in front of my eyes, or the relationships are just, it is so deep and everything was going so good, but something happened, or I don't know what happened, or there is no correct reason or the right answers, or many different stuff we all go through in our teenage, or in our like youngster age, or like very like any point of time, we all get to realize and go down that path and go through that path and realize different things about life. And this is what we are going to discuss, and seriously, the very nice value which I learned from my journey, which I'm going to share in this vlog, in this H80 Prime video, where we are really going to and like complete this in a very good note and an emotional and a very aware note, and not going to shout it on. It is not a motivational or a psychologist or informational, highly definitional video. It is just a valuable video where you are going to, or you have been through a situation in life which was very emotional, which was deeply emotional, or which you think, if you think right now at this instant, then you can cry the hell out of inside. So we are going to actually talk about something which nobody just touches it, which nobody wants to go into, which nobody wants to just remember, which people used to just ignore or just go through, or just don't talk about, or just make fun of it, just so not to go deep inside it. Let's talk about it. See, it is really going to be very interesting, and we haven't ever made any of the reviews on this one, so this video is really going to be one of the most emotional and one of the most touchy video ever. So see, it has to come, there has to come a time in your life where you have to leave your family, or you will get to know that your family is not just 100% purely supporting you in terms of money or support or that internal love. They just want, like, there will come a point of time where you will get to know that okay, they want something from us, they want us to give back, they are expecting some kind of money from us, they're expecting some kind of things from us when we'll start doing job, or when we will start earning, or when we'll be 22, 24, 26 years of age. They want something from us. It was not completely unexpected thing which we did to us, like in the past 20 years, in the past 15 years, they spent money for our college, for our school, for our tuition classes, for our stuff, stationaries, everything, clothes, and like they did. But there has to, and there will come a period, there will come a duration, there will come a time when you will get to know that okay, it was not completely NGO type of thing, it was not non-governmental organizations, it was an expected thing which they were doing for us. There will be a time, it is not bad, it is not like they are just made for this, every, like, it is a human psychology, like you have, like, I'm going really deep into this. Think from your aware mind right now, clear everything which you have in mind, like, do this, clear everything which you have in mind, think about this one thing. You are putting in the time, you are putting in the hustle, you are hustling in the daylight, in the huge sunlight, and you're just burning your skin, and you're just working every single minute of your life, and then you are going home and giving 10,000 rupees for your son's tuition class, or for your daughter's tuition class, or for your school shoes, or for your school shirt, which is of no use after 10 years. Like remember this one, like after 1 year, because you are going to change your size, and you are like everything is going to change. So like just imagine these things, like you are hustling for something, you have your own dreams, you have your own vision, you need your own fantasies to be fulfilled, but but your earnings is fixed. It is like 10, 15, 20, 35, 40, 50,000, and it is going to be the same for the next few months, for the next few years. It is not going to fluctuate like 10, 15, 20 times in a single month if you are just living a normal life, which we all 90% people live like. It is like all the people watching this video, 90-95% people do live the same life. They don't want something huge or like inspirational or some day and night they can hustle and 18 hours they no. And not everyone can do that. It is a 1% thing, but still all the 95-98% people who live this life where there is an average salary, they live, they work hard, so they have to accept something, like they have to expect something from their kids. So it is not very bad from their point of view if you really think like this is pure maturity vibes when you think, being on their side, being on their grounds, you think that what they have did for you, then you get to realize that their expectations from you is not completely bad. Now think about what you did from that money which they gave you in the college duration, in the graduation period, in the school time, in all of those moments. What productive or non-productive use you did from that particular amount of money which they hard earned, which they earned from all the hustle which they did in their life. So you have to think about that rather than thinking that your parents are expecting something from you. It is good. Like people say that the parents are the last point or the end point, or the one who is going to help you in the worst times or everything about that. But you have to think about what, like, think from their grounds, think from their point of view. When you will get to that no when you'll get to touch that single particular point of time, it will be very happening. You will get to learn something which you haven't experienced yet, and there you will get some positive note and intent from inside that okay, it is good, and it was my mistake that I didn't spend that much amount of college time learning something which I should learn. I spent most of the time experiencing a college life which we have seen in the movies, and now it's really the time when there is job, and when there is graduation period is over, and now we are not getting any financial support from the family. My dad is not giving me the money, or maybe he is, or maybe she is giving the money, but still they're expecting so much things in return that they are forcing us, or they are deploying their negative thoughts every single day on our life, and they are just scolding us day and night for the things which don't really even matter, but they are scolding us. They are just expecting so badly from us, or they are we are just waking up with a negative energy, and we are going to sleep with a negative energy in their house. And we don't have to take loan to get rid of that parents house. We don't need to just go away from their house. Like, this happens, this really happens, and this will happen. If it already happened with you, then we cannot do something about it. We can do that. We can learn some good values which we have uploaded in the past 8 H80. And this is the H80 Prime video, so we have already uploaded thousands of videos in that where you can learn so good values. But if this thing is going to happen, then you can really learn right now that it is really not worth. Like, now you will get to understand that all the money, all the things which you have right now, if it is your parents money, then there is going to be a time when they will expect, when you will get to know that they expect something from you. And when you will get to know, if that time is coming at 20s of 22 or 24 years of age, when you have a job, then it will be a very bad time. You have to realize it right now, that the money which you are spending is not granted. It is somebody else's. It is somebody else's. It can be your parents, it can be your brother, it can be your sister, it can be anyone's, but it is not yours. And if it is not yours, then you don't deserve to spend it anywhere. Like anywhere, like buying this tissue paper is not worth it. From that money, I'll buy it. But still, you have to just realize this thing. If you really just understood what I just spoke in this last 3 to 4 minutes, it is really going to change your perspective towards spending your dad's money. one time is really going to come, like after your college will end, when you will get a job. This is just the first part of relationships, first video of the first part of the relationships. I'll like it is a really good and long topic, so we will cover it day by day, but still, right now, if you are in college or if you are living a life on your parents money, then there is like all the people can relate me, and many of you are still relating me, and I know that many of you might have understood that this thing is going to come in future. So I what I can say is, if you don't like this thing, if you really want some awareness in life, so first of all, get rid of your comfort zones, playing games, having a mobile phone, living on their electricity bills, and being fearful that if you go for a new startup, or for a new learning, for a new hobby or something like that, will not work is the biggest fear people mostly have. Third thing, like what like people are very scared of leaving all the comfort zone, which then makes them more comfortable on their parents money. It is really what is happening. I'm speaking all of the things from deep inside, from the things which I have experienced or the things which I have seen, and especially from the things which I have really experienced. My age is 20 right now, but since in the last 3, 4, 5 years, I have seen many things. That is why I'm able to speak all the things, and I have experienced. I have experienced personally, and moreover, I have seen people experiencing it. So, all those things which made me realize this in an early age, and that is why I'm hustling so much. This is just a glance of the thing which I'm doing, and rest apart from that, the depth or the deepest of the relationships, or the mental touch with somebody, or the parents, or these are all other separate parts of the relationships which you might go through in the next 20, 30 years of your age. But this is just a glance video which I shared with you, an advice. You can say anything, like just a pure value. If you right now are spending your parents' money, anybody's money which is not yours, then you have to realize that something, somewhere, someday, life is a mirror. Life is really a mirror, and you have to pay back everything. Like whatever things, whatever actions you do, whatever things you do, whatever type of money you spent of somebody else's, or whatever behavior you have towards people, or whatever things you show to people, like whatever you are from inside, or whatever way you treat people, is what is going to come back soon, either from them, not from them, or from somebody else. Yes, from majority of the people who you are going to meet in future. Each and everything is going to come back one way or the another. So it is your thing, it is your psychology, or it is your choice, or it is completely controllable. Let me tell you, it is completely controllable. You can control each and everything, but it depends on you, that how you learn from all the values, how you react, and how you just cope up with all the things. It is very simple. Let's see, it is very simple. Life is very simple. Whatever you do, like I was in a room where I was like doing nothing. I was hustling 17, 18, 19 hours a day, and I was writing blogs, and I had no idea. I literally had no idea why I'm writing these blogs and what I'm learning at that point of time. But I was not even able to pay the rent of that room. But still, things happen. Like people changes, circumstances changes, clothes changes, money status changes, communication skills changes, the skill level changes. When you keep learning from the things, when you keep focusing on learning, rather than playing games or being towards that comfort zone, or just having cigarettes, or being completely down in the emotional part, or just completely demotivating, or in depression, or just choosing to lose every day, is one of the biggest thing which I have seen people doing, or I have experienced doing. So the main part is, all, like life is really easy. It is all of this thing, like everything is easy once you choose to win. rather than losing every single day. It is really easy. Let me just come to my best mode. This is my best mode. Life is really easy. It is not that hard. It is really not that hard. But you will get to tackle lots of hard situations, which is going to put pressure on your mind just because you want something from life. If you have some dreams, or if you want family happiness, or if you want like real happiness, with you, if you want to deal with stress, then if you just learn 2% or 10% of these all values, it is going to be very easy, like seriously, like very easy. Get to know this, get to know life. I hope you got to learn the best from this H80 Prime video, and we really going to come back very soon with this partly videos on relationships. Just this is just a part one. So I hope you got to learn the best from this one, and seriously, whatever you do, stay happy in the things which you do. Always do what you love to do. So that'll make you internally happy every day. Don't buy stuff which you don't want. Don't buy stuff which you cannot afford. Which you cannot afford means, if you have 10 lakh rupees, if you have 20 lakh, if you have 30 lakh, then don't think to buy something of 5 lakh rupees. Buy something of 5 lakh only if you have 50 lakh rupees, and you can afford to lose 5 lakh. You can just throw it 5 lakh rupees, then you can do that. Never buy something which you cannot afford. At least 10 times, 20 times margin you should have in your pocket, spare to spend. Then you can get something. So I really hope you get to learn something from this. I can really speak this for hours, but I don't want to do that because I have let me show you. The whole setup is waiting for me. Actually, I was doing something else, but I just got the idea that okay, let's finish this one. I really got this idea, so I did it, and now it's time for me to get back to the hustle, and it's time for you to just get some awareness, learn some good values, and really love your loved ones. Today you have them, tomorrow maybe you won't have them physically, but you will always have them mentally. But having them mentally is really it's really deeply, you can say you'll miss them, but still if you really believe it, then after 10 years, after 20 years, you are going to have them. So don't just be impatient. Always remember, always be aware of who you have right now. Love them, really love them, just because tomorrow, just tomorrow at this instant, or it might happen that everything will change, and it will change. That's perfectly life it is. Thank you. Good night.